that I learned from pruning, and it's all about the idea that when you prune your fruit trees or your rose bushes, the more you prune them back, the more you're encouraging growth. And it is totally counterintuitive. And fairly recently I gave this as a concept for one of my coaching clients to just really mull over, especially when it comes to creative endeavors, you know, the real less is more. And I wanted to give an example. I have a grapevine back here, and this particular grapevine has never given us grapes, but I pruned it back. I whacked it back so much. I actually thought for a while that my grapevines were dead and that I had made that mistake. But instead, check this out. Gotta back up. There's some grapes. You get some grapes. You get some grapes. I cannot wait to see what these taste like.